Lesson 52, Documents with Column Apply It Word Drills. First task is to change the theme, design, themes, ion. Change the margins, layout, margins, narrow. You'll start with everything in the gray box with 4 enters, and you'll type all the text using word wraparound. Don't press enter until you see the paragraph symbol. There's quite a bit to type. Check your work and then continue. Select everything, so just click in the document, Control A, click Home, and then we'll just decrease it so it goes from 11 to 10, the font size. We're going to change this right now. It's considered one column. Go to Layout, Columns, and select 2. And then we'll scroll down, select Cornerstone Club Named, and then scroll down, hold Control, and select the other side heading. Go back home, Styles, Heading 1. Add a page border, design your arrow over, page border. Make sure it's on the page border tab, box, and the color is dark red, accent 1. And OK. Click in the first line, and we're going to put in a word art, insert, text, word art, and it's this one right here. And then click away from it, empty space to deselect. Resize it, click the word art. Make sure you click Format under Drawing Tools Format so you can click Size, and the height will be 0.8, enter. And then again, click away from it to deselect. We're going to select where it says your text here, and you're going to type Arena Update. And then we're going to select the text Arena Update, go back home, in the font color group, click the down arrow. It's on dark red right now, but we want dark red, accent 1, darker 25%. So it gave me trouble before, so let me try confusing it. I'll go into Word Art, Text Fill, and choose from here, and then I'll get it wrong. And then I'll select it again. And go back to Home under the font color, and now it takes it. I don't know if it means I have to select the enter symbol when I was selecting it before. So I think make sure that you select so you get the marker at the end too. I guess that worked. For this one, we're just changing the location of it. So choose Drawing Tools Format, Arrange, Position, and you want Top Center. So you're going to scroll down till you see what view would you like, and at the end of the third line, so click so that you're after former, we're going to insert a picture. Then we're going to choose top and bottom text wrapping, so click the layout options, and this is top bottom. And now we'll resize the picture into size, and the height is 2.25, enter. So the picture, we're going to change the location of it, so choose Arrange, go to Position, More Layout Options, make sure you have the Position tab selected, and we're changing the vertical alignment to 0, and then select Alignment and choose Centered. So we're going to, you want to be in underneath the title, so that you're after that last paragraph. And then we're going to insert a flow chart. So under Insert, Smart Art, and we're going to go to the Process category. And they want, should be called Alternating Flow, and OK. So click anywhere in the text. Right now it's in 2 pages, and then choose Layout, Columns 1. And we're going to resize the smartart, and it's on page 2, so select it. Make sure you choose Format Tools, Format, Size, the height is 2.25, enter. Try it again. On page 2. Format Tools, Size, the height is 2.25, and I'm just going to select the width, and that should be 6. And we're going to select a location for the smart art, so choose Arrange, Position, and this would be bottom center with square text wrapping. So now we're going to fill in the flow chart. So very carefully, you're going so start to the left and go to the center and then the right, and typing very carefully, no typos. And it'll all fit in, it'll arrange it so it fits nicely. Then you're ready to go into the next one and type. So once you've completed it, you'll automatically move you to the next step. So for this one, you're going to start selecting, and we're going to go back to 2 columns. So start selecting all the way at the beginning where those 4 blank lines are, and go all the way to the last paragraph, and then choose Layout, Columns 2. In the Open Document, key the text as you see it here, check your work, and then continue. So for the next one, what you're going to do is change the wording so that it matches the first 2 lines of the second paragraph, so it matches what is over here. So if you want to do it all together, redo it all, or just manually fix it. And you can check your work. And I forgot new, so you want to add that, and the space. So that's my two errors. So make sure you put in the word new. So at the beginning of the paragraph, right here, you're going to type what is in please confirm, and make sure you have a space at the end of the sentence on the next one, and then check your work. Check spelling and grammar. There is only one error. Click review, spelling and grammar, and it should be just two, T-O, not two, T-O-O, change. Okay, and you are done.